Hey everyone, quick video. So I'm at this KFC and I received an order from DoorDash for like $5 for like a mile and a half. I waited about 7 minutes for KFC to complete the order, and then I tried to drive to the customer's address, but there was a train track and there was a train stopped at it, and it wasn't moving, it was literally stopped. And I saw that on my previous order, and so I called DoorDash just now, so DoorDash support just now, and I told them what happened. I said, hey, I can't afford to sit there for an hour to wait on this train, and I don't know any other ways around it. And they said they called the customer. I guess the customer canceled the order, and so now they told me I get half pay, and I get to keep the food, so that worked out pretty good. It just wasted 30 minutes of my time, but at least I don't gotta wait another hour at that stop train. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that it's always worth a try to contact support. Some people it doesn't work, some people it does. So it must just depend on the person and on the customer to see if they want to help you out. All right, see you guys in the next one.